You get this error message on FiveM when you try to join a server, and the error says connection failed, obtaining configuration from server failed, error state failed to connect to IP here port, timed out, color error code 28, timeout was reached. Then in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Now, I do get this error message here on FiveM. Now, this means your FiveM client can't reach the game server. Now, how do you resolve this issue? Just try to manually add the server's IP. Now, just launch FiveM. Once it's open, before or after the error, press F8 on your keyboard. Now, this will open the FiveM console. Now, in the console, type the full server IP and port like this, which is connect, IP here with 2 dashes and port here. So this will depend on your IP address, since different servers have different IP, but the IP will be written here on your screenshot. For example, mine, you can see this is IP with the port number here. So for you, may be different. You just need to change the IP address, but the port is always the same. So just connect 98 with an IP here, which can be different for you with the port number exactly as it is written here. So just manually add the server's IP. By launching FiveM, once it's open, you can press F8 on your keyboard. This opens the FiveM console. In the console, type the full server IP and port like this. After that, press enter and try to check if your issue has been resolved. Now, why this works? Sometimes this default link, which is written normally like this, fails or times out due to DNS or routing issues. Directly typing the IP bypasses that link and it talks straight to the server. Now, if done so but are still facing again the same issue, you can try to use a VPN or change your IP. So now, a lot of people are facing this issue. If you go to the FiveM subreddit, someone is facing the exactly same issue I was facing and recommends using a VPN, which a lot of people have found it very useful. So you can try to use a VPN, and the VPN which I recommend is NodeVPN. Now, the link will be available on the description of this video as well as the comment section there down below. If you use my link, which is exclusive to my viewers, you'll get 70% off NodeVPN, up to 10 GB free eSIM data from Saily, with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you don't have to risk about anything. Even if it doesn't work, you can just claim a refund and your money will be returned. I'm also using NodeVPN and it has been working good so far. Now, if you've used a VPN, maybe you can try to disconnect a VPN and try to restart FiveM and check if your issue has been resolved. So if you're already connected to a VPN and it's not working, try disconnecting it and restart FiveM. Also, you can try to reboot your router to get a new IP address if your ISP uses dynamic IPs. So try to reboot your router to get a new IP address if your ISP uses dynamic IPs. If it still fails, maybe your port can be blocked by your ISP. So port blocked by your ISP or network can also be the reason why you face this error message as you see here on the screenshot. Now, to fix it, FiveM servers use port 3120. If it's blocked, try using your mobile hotspot temporarily to test connectivity. Or you can try to change your network, maybe try using another Wi-Fi. But the best guide, you can try to use a mobile hotspot temporarily to test connectivity. Also, you may ask your ISP if they block game ports or put your connection behind CGNAT. Also, another reason can be servers may be down or firewall blocked. The server may simply be offline. Now, to confirm if your server is offline, you can go to this page here, which the link will be available on the description of this video. Also, this page here, which is servers.fivem.net. Try to search for your server here. So maybe let's say this is a server, which is Hollywood Hills. Try to click here on this server and try to join their Discord. Once you join their Discord using the link which has been provided here, try to ask the moderators of Discord if whether their server is down or is still online. In most cases, if it's down, you'll be facing a lot of errors. Also, another thing, you can try to allow FiveM through Firewall and your antivirus program, or just turn them off, your antivirus and firewall temporarily to test if the issue can be resolved. If it all fails, you can try to flash your DNS and reset WinSock. Just run command prompt as administrator and type these commands one by one, starting by ipconfigure/flash DNS, netish WinSock reset. After that, restart your PC in FiveM. This can also help you resolve this problem. Also, if you're still facing again the same issue, you can try to uninstall, then reinstall the FiveM. So you can just come here using the Revo uninstaller tool. I prefer to use Revo uninstaller to uninstall programs on my PC. Just launch the Revo uninstall applications. Right click on FiveM here and then select uninstall. Go to fivem.net and then try to download the latest version of FiveM. Can also help you resolve minor issues like this one, which is error code 28, as you see it here on the screenshot. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve this problem. If not, let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you. Thanks so much for watching this video and see you next time.